Hey everyone, it's Dan here once again, and today I'm going to talk about the difference between a faulty compressor and a brand new compressor. So right now I have two compressors in front of me, both with the same exact model number and NEK 2134GK, and the brand name is Aspera. And right here on my right is the bad compressor, and on my left is the brand new compressor. I just wired them up roughly just for test purposes, and I just want to show you guys the difference between the two, between a faulty and a good one. So I already hooked up plug to both compressors. This one, the bad one, I have a 3-in-1 capacitor installed just because I lost the starting components for it, and this is the brand new one. I'm using all the original parts, and I'm just going to go ahead, plug them in, and I'm going to tell you what to look for and the difference between the two. So I'm first plug in the bad one. So once it's plugged in, what I'm going to do is put my finger on the outlet, the discharge, and over here you can see there's not much pressure at all. It's not even pushing against my finger at all. So now I'm going to plug in the new one. Now let's see. I'm going to do the same thing, and I'll notice if I could see a difference. On the new one, I'm going to do the same thing, and I can easily feel the pressure against my finger. I can even hold it, and it even the pressure gets higher and higher. Two exact same compressors, one is faulty, one is brand new, and that's the major difference. One of them, the discharge is not blowing out any compression, and the other one is blowing out pretty well, and there's tons of compression in the motor itself. So once again, that's the difference between a faulty compressor and a new compressor. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Hi everyone. No. Hi everyone, it's Dnoorian here. No. Hi everyone, it's Dnoorian here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the difference between a faulty compressor and a compressor that is working properly. So I got two compressors here, both with the exact same model number, and they're both Hi everyone, it's Dnoorian here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the difference between a faulty compressor and a compressor that is just unboxed and perfectly brand new. So I got two compressors here right in front of me, both model number NE2134GK from the brand Embraco, and the one on my right here is faulty and the one on my left is brand new. So I've already installed the 3-in-1 capacitor on the faulty one, and on the new one I installed just a plug with the original starting components and the other electrical components such as the relay and the overload. And so both of them have plugs on them right now, as you can see here. And I'm just going to do one simple test and show you guys the difference between a faulty compressor and a compressor that is working perfectly fine. So what I'm going to do is first plug in the compressor that is faulty, which is the one on my right. And what I'm going to do is, after I plug it in, I'm going to put my finger on the discharge line right here. This pipe right here, the small one. I'm going to put my finger on it, and I should be able to feel some pressure. So I'm putting my finger on it, and there's not much pressure at all. Like, I could barely feel any kind of pressure against my finger. Yeah, no pressure whatsoever. So that's the faulty one, and I'm going to do the same exact thing with the new one. And let's see if there's a difference. So there's definitely a difference, as you can hopefully you can just hear that sound, that the more I hold it, the louder it gets. The pressure inside the compressor is building up, and there's definitely pressure against my finger. So I'm going to unplug that. Okay, so now you know the difference between a faulty compressor and a compressor that is working perfectly fine. Once again, this is Dnoorian. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.